bestie goes between bellaandsheggz phyna OMAH'S dey sweet me as they are back to Lagos State to prepare for Sheggz's birthday tomorrow. Sheggz's birthday is going to be tomorrow, and I guess it's going to be lit, guys. Trust bigsheggz. So if you're joining us for the first time, you're highly welcome to OMAH'S TV. Please consider tapping on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell icon as well, so you always get notified. Don't fail to like, leave a comment, and share this video if possible. Okay, to my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos.
Bella, say hi, bye bye. bigsheggz, birthday boy, in a beat. So Sheggz has given me my own. All them cozy boys. Who they? Sheggz, bless now this one. I go your way come your birthday tomorrow. I no fit shout. I cannot come and kill myself. Okay. Yes. We're back to Lagos. Two bad bitches on the PJ. Yeah.
Tomorrow's party is gonna be lit, guys. We can't wait. Honestly, I'm anticipating like Meanwhile, guys, yesterday they went clubbing. Mrs. Ikoyi giving her man some sexy look, guys. You can see in Bella's eyes, like Bella just a soft girl. Meanwhile, how do you rate her outfit and her look? Like she went natural, no makeup. She was on her natural hair. She looks so beautiful, guys. Almost Big Bella is too cute, no cap. Almost the end there, see people spraying Sheggz money, like spraying FC, then finish work. They were just raining money on Sheggz. Everyone is anticipating tomorrow, 13th November, for bigsheggz, guys. They were raining money on him. Spa birthday boy in a bit. Almost, I hope you guys are ready. More on buy data, it's gonna be lit, okay? Let's go and tell himself, say, ma follow spray my baby money. Like Sheggz was just raining money on Big Bella. You can see how she's blushing on my screen, guys. Get you a boyfriend that will rain money on you while you're dancing. It's really not easy. They look so cute together. I'm super happy for these two. Shella shippers don't retire. Like they said, they don't belly full. Like they've been seeing so many goodies of late, and they are already satisfied. How much more tomorrow? Everywhere go choke, guys. We are anticipating massively. So my lovely people, now the update I carry on for now be this. If at this point you haven't tapped on the subscribe button, please do that. It's absolutely free. Turn on your post notification bell icon as well, because I'll be coming with more amazing content. To my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all. Trust me on that, okay? So guys, don't fail to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot. Leave a comment. Please drop your comment. Let me know how you think about this as well. See you all in my next video.